Hi everyone, my name is Kayla Johnson and I'm a health educator and promotions coordinator at Moffitt Health Center. I'm going to briefly introduce you to student health services at Moffitt Health Center and give you some details on how our department can be a resource for you during your time at Southern Miss. Moffitt Health Center is a facility that houses student health services, which is a full-service primary care urgent care clinic. Also at Moffitt Health Center is a full-service pharmacy and the Office of Health Promotion. Moffitt Health Center is a one-stop shop for your healthcare needs. Whether you need to see a provider, refill a prescription, or access health education resources, we have you covered. We have a top-notch staff here at Moffitt Health Center. Our board-certified physicians, nurse practitioners, and physician assistants truly care about the success and well-being of each student here at Southern Miss. We have a great staff of RNs and LPNs who assist our providers on a daily basis, and our medical technologists operate our on-site lab and x-ray facility. With a full-service pharmacy, we have registered pharmacists and certified pharmacy technicians. Our Office of Health Promotion staff consists of health educators and doctoral-level graduate students studying counseling psychology. As mentioned before, our clinic is a full-service primary care urgent care clinic. Regardless of whether home is 5 minutes away or 5 hours away, our clinic can be a great resource for you if you are sick, need a medication refill, or would like to get a checkup. Should you get sick or injured, our staff can provide evaluation and treatment, including minor surgical procedures like ingrown toenail removal, ear irrigations, and laceration repairs. With both male and female providers on staff, we are able to assist students with women's health concerns, including pap smears, and men's health concerns. Should you need a physical for a job, sport, class, or other reason, our providers can help. We provide medical consultations for study abroad programs. Labs and x-rays are available on site with the ability to give same-day results from any test. Our nursing staff can also perform allergy injections for students in a safe and controlled environment. For students needing information on health topics, our health education team members can assist with locating resources and providing presentations and programs. All students enrolling at Southern Miss are required to have proof of 2 MMR vaccines. Beginning fall of 2020, students who will be living on campus will also be required to have proof of completion of both the meningitis A, C, W, and Y vaccine series and the meningitis B vaccine series. These vaccines, as well as the list of recommended vaccines, are all available at our clinic during regular business hours. Flu shots are offered annually beginning in late September and through the month of March, or while supplies last. We encourage students to get their flu shot before the end of January if possible. USM Pharmacy is located inside the lobby of Moffitt Health Center. Students new to USM or taking regular medications can choose to have their prescriptions transferred to our pharmacy. If you are unsure of how to transfer your medications, our pharmacist can assist you. Medications prescribed to you by our providers, as well as off-campus providers, can be filled at our pharmacy. We accept most insurances and offer competitive pricing, with many medications in a generic form, which helps with the cost of the medication. Should you need over-the-counter medications or feminine supplies, you can get these at our pharmacy without having to leave campus. Our pharmacy is a quick and convenient option for students. In accordance with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, we cannot release the patient's information to anyone without the patient's written consent. As a student, if you would like your parent or guardian to have access to your health information, you will need to stop by our clinic and fill out a consent to release medical records form. One of our staff members at the front desk can help you. There is a $20 provider fee for all clinic visits. This is very similar to an insurance copay. For example, if your health insurance copay is $30, you will only pay $20 at our clinic. Should you need labs, x-rays, injections, or other care outside of just the office visit, there will be additional charges. Pharmacy charges for medications are also separate from the provider fee. We will bill these to your insurance first before we ask you to pay for them. If you do not have health insurance, you can still be seen in our clinic. Any charges accrued with your visit will be due at the time of service or can be charged to your student account for future payment through the business office. While we do file insurance as a courtesy to our patients, we cannot guarantee your insurance will cover your visit and any additional charges. We recommend you contact your insurance company prior to your visit if you have any questions concerning your coverage. Any charges not covered by your insurance will be billed to your student account. For students needing health insurance, the university offers a health insurance plan through United Healthcare. As a preferred care facility for the USM student insurance, all charges at our clinic are covered 100%. Should a student need to be seen off campus, it will then function as any other insurance in regard to copays and deductibles. Unlike off-campus clinics, because of our connection to the university, students do have the option of charging their clinic and pharmacy fees to their student accounts. Student accounts must be paid off by the end of the semester, so we encourage students to practice good financial habits and be mindful of how often they charge their accounts. For students choosing to pay at the time of service, payments can be made via cash, credit or debit card, or check. We are currently located on the first floor of Scott Hall, which is part of the Century Park South residence halls. Our student entrance faces the parking garage. There is limited patient parking on the 4th Street side of our building, but additional parking can be found in the parking garage. We are open Monday through Friday year-round, including during the summer semester and semester breaks. Our clinic and pharmacy does close for university-recognized holidays or in the event the university closes for severe weather. We are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Wednesday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Thursdays, and 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on Fridays. Pharmacy opens at 9 a.m. Monday through Friday and closes at the same time as the clinic. We do not require appointments for all visits, but we do encourage them. Student schedules are busy, and making an appointment will help to hold you accountable to arriving on time and will best fit your visit into your schedule. Physicals and women's health exams do require appointments, but appointments can be made the same day if desired. There are several ways in which you can make your appointment. You can call in or stop by, or visit our website and click on the online health portal link. Appointments can be made through the usm app as well. Through our online patient portal, you can make appointments and view labs or any immunizations that you had done at our clinic. For questions, concerns, or to make an appointment, please contact us. Clinic email is monitored Monday through Friday during regular business hours. Emails received after hours will be responded to on the next business day. Check our website often for updates or questions about our services. We are active on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and use these platforms to communicate information on health topics, upcoming programs and events, and changes to our business hours. We encourage you to follow us for regular updates. We would like to thank you for your time, and we look forward to being a resource for you during your time at Southern Miss. Welcome to USM. Southern Miss, to the top.